guys, this is the Morley drone, and it reminds me of my DJI Mavic Mini. Really easy to fly. Just turned it on. We're gonna do controller on, and then George, will you hold that for 1 sec? Just film the controller here. Just hold it steady, and I'll get there. All right. So you go this way, I'm pretty sure. Oh, turn the controller off. There we go. Yeah. And then I'll hold it again. Thank you, buddy. And then take it off. You just go up here. You can go down. Up. That's fine, just fine. And then you can do like minor adjustments. So like if it's drifting back or forwards, you can adjust it with those little arrow buttons. And then to spin it, you would go left and right here. So left is going to spin it. And then right's going to spin it the other way.
I can feel it.
And then if I press the other side, it's going to go forward, backwards, left, and right. So that's going to make it go forward. That's going to make it go backwards. That's going to go away from us because it's right. And then this will be left and towards us. So really easy to fly. It's going to give you audible warnings, certain things like low battery and all that kind of stuff. But yeah, great drone. Love it. Had lots of fun with it.